Civil Authority has issued civil danger warning for the following counties or areas: Humboldt, Lander, Pershing, Nevada. At 12:47 p.m. on October 27, 2023, effective until 1:02 p.m. This is the required monthly test of the emergency alert system. Federal, state and local officials use EAS to keep you informed in the event of an emergency or disaster through your local radio and TV stations and cable providers. This test helps ensure that broadcasters and cable TV operators are ready to provide information in a crisis. This concludes today's test of the emergency alert system.